How to play YouTube videos in the background on iPhone. Open Safari and navigate to youtube.com. Once on the YouTube page, search for your desired song or video. After finding the content, swipe up to close the Safari app. Quickly swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to access the control center. Tap on the play button as swiftly as possible. Upon successful execution, you'll notice that the YouTube video hasn't stopped playing and continues in the background. This allows you to enjoy your favorite music while still using your iPhone for other tasks. I hope this method proves helpful, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you in the next video. See you then.